Hello and welcome guys. My name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the privacy of your Instagram account from private to public. This is very simple process. So let's jump into the video and public your Instagram account. Here you have to open your Instagram. Here as you can see, I have an Instagram account which is private. I want to convert it into a public Instagram account. For converting a private Instagram account to public Instagram account, first you have to click on the three bars on the top right corner. Here you have to click on the setting and privacy. Scroll down and click on account privacy. Here you have to toggle this off to make your account public. After clicking on it, this page will appear. This page is telling that your account will be switched to public and anyone will be able to mention you and see your post. So I am agreeing with it and clicking on switch to public account. Now go back to your account. As you can see, now my account is public. That's how you change the privacy of your Instagram account from private to public. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. Thanks for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button. That's it for today's video. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.